ATAS versus Jigsaw Trading, which order flow platform is better? Choosing the right order flow platform can transform your trading precision without overwhelming complexity. We'll explore ATAS and Jigsaw Trading, two top contenders with distinct approaches and features. ATAS and Jigsaw Trading are popular order flow platforms designed to give traders deep market insight. The core difference lies in their data visualization and user interface style. ATAS offers advanced analytics with customizable charts, while Jigsaw focuses on simplicity and clarity for faster decision making. ATAS is a comprehensive order flow platform that provides detailed market data through footprint charts, volume analysis, and cluster visualization. It works by aggregating real-time market data, allowing traders to see the exact volume at each price level and the aggressiveness of buyers and sellers. ATAS excels with its highly customizable interface, advanced indicators, and support for multiple asset classes including futures, stocks, and crypto. Its strengths include powerful visualization tools and extensive data filtering options, which help experienced traders identify market imbalances and potential reversals. However, the platform can have a steep learning curve and may feel overwhelming for beginners due to its complexity. Ideal users are active day traders and scalpers who rely on granular market data and want to tailor their workspace extensively to fit their trading style. According to ATAS official documentation, the platform supports integration with various data feeds and brokers, enhancing its flexibility for professional use. Jigsaw Trading is an order flow platform designed with simplicity and speed in mind. It offers clear, intuitive visualizations such as depth of market (DOM) and reconstructed tape data to help traders quickly interpret order flow and liquidity. The platform works by consolidating market data into straightforward displays, focusing on actionable information rather than overwhelming detail. Jigsaw's strengths are its user-friendly interface and real-time tools like the depth and sales module, which highlights market pressure and trade executions clearly. This makes it easier for traders to make fast decisions without getting lost in complex charts. While Jigsaw Trading may not provide as many customization options or advanced analytics as ATAS, it compensates with a clean layout and focus on essential order flow metrics. Ideal users are traders who prioritize quick interpretation of market activity and prefer a straightforward setup. Jigsaw's official site emphasizes its effectiveness for futures and forex traders looking for a no-nonsense approach to order flow. Comparing ATAS and Jigsaw Trading reveals a trade-off between depth and simplicity. ATAS suits traders who want extensive data visualization and customization, making it ideal for dissecting complex market structures over longer sessions. For example, a futures trader analyzing volume clusters to anticipate reversals will benefit from ATAS' detailed footprint charts. On the other hand, Jigsaw Trading excels in fast-paced environments where quick decisions matter. Its streamlined interface and clear DOM tools help scalpers and day traders react instantly to market shifts. However, Jigsaw's limited customization might restrict advanced users seeking deeper analytics. Choosing between them depends on your trading style. If you prefer granular data and adaptability, ATAS is the choice. If speed and clarity are your priorities, Jigsaw Trading offers a more accessible experience. ATAS is recommended for traders who need advanced order flow analytics and extensive customization to analyze market depth and volume intricacies in detail. Jigsaw Trading is ideal for traders seeking a clean, efficient order flow platform focused on speed and clarity. Both platforms deliver strong order flow insights, so select based on whether you value comprehensive data or streamlined usability to enhance your trading edge.